Hello. Let's talk about three-legged axle stands for a minute. I've had it said to me, and I don't poo-poo the thing, but the suggestion, but people say don't use three-legged axle stands. And well, I don't blindly take instruction. I always think about it. I've only ever used three-legged axle stands. So if you imagine that these are under the car, like that, and you're using the trolley jack. Now the trolley jack tends to push and pull the car back and forth, and you can see that this dimension from where the load is there to this point here isn't very great, so that there's a tendency for it to want to tip in that direction, like that. Alright, Meg. She's bored, she wants to play ball with her. But what I do to make it more, to make it safe, I've actually never had a four-legged axle stand, because this is what was the norm when I, was buying equipment years ago. Use them as a matched pair like that. Use them as a matched pair and put them so that they're, the two sort of shallow sides, if you like, are facing each other. So you've got maximum, strength coming forward and back, and going sideways. This one would tend to tip, this one wouldn't tend to tip. So that's how I mitigate this, I'm not going to say myth, but probably good advice about three-legged axle stands. And I say, well, use them as long as you take care to arrange them like that, so that the loads are shared and there isn't a weak direction like that. If you had them like that, whatever was on them could tend to go that way. And the other thing about axle stands, which is very important, is that the heavier the thing that's on them, the more stable they are. And you have to be very careful if you've got something like just a chassis or just an axle on them. There isn't enough weight to keep them planted. So these are my better axle stands. These are a good quality British make. So there you go. Three-legged axle stands. Okay, as long as you use them with caution. Okay, thanks a lot then. Just a little quickie from me. Cheers then, bye.